On today's episode of Let's Raise Aaron's Cortisol to DEFCON 1. It begins quietly, peacefully. A UPS truck parked across the street. Birds chirping. A routine delivery. Blood pressure normal. Then...
And then?
No and then!
Enter chaos. A known career criminal appears stage left. He locks eyes on the unattended UPS truck like it's the last chopper out of Saigon.
Get to the chopper!
Meanwhile, the unsuspecting UPS driver is walking toward your front door with a package, blissfully unaware that his vehicle is seconds away from starring in Grand Theft Auto, San Angelo Edition. Suddenly, the truck engine roars to life. The driver looks up at his truck. The realization hits. Scene 2, the near-impact moment. Our suspect sprints directly in front of a white late 90s/early 2000s GM standard cab pickup. We're talking inches from becoming a hood ornament. The truck slams brakes. Physics briefly negotiates with fate.
Hey, get back here right now!
He survives another day. Scene 3, the alley stripped down. Now we transition to the alley, East End, near the elementary school. The suspect begins what can only be described as the Great Wardrobe Purge of 2026. Hoodie, over the fence. Shirt, over the fence. Hoodie, over the fence. Shirt, over the fence. Sanity, long gone. By the time he reaches your property line, he is in full panic mode. He rips off the rest of his clothing like he's in a discount spy thriller trying to shed DNA evidence. And then, your backyard becomes an involuntary clothing donation center. Now dressed in nothing but boxers and questionable life choices, he pauses. Brief confusion. Existential crisis. Then bolts westbound. Scene 4, the gas meter ritual. He stops at a gas meter. There's a random cup sitting on top. Because of course there is. He grabs it. Pours the liquid over his hands. Rubs it on his arms. Commits fully to whatever this improvisation is. Was it an attempt to remove fingerprints? A street-level cologne application? A desperate I just showered illusion? We may never know. But at this point, Aaron's cortisol has officially breached the stratosphere. Final scene. The suspect continues west down the alley. Half-dressed. Probably dehydrated. Certainly irrational. And just like that, silence returns. But not before you've just witnessed. Attempted vehicle theft. Foot pursuit. Near vehicular flattening. Public disrobing. Backyard textile redistribution. And what appears to be impromptu chemical self-anointing. All before lunch.